Listen to me carefully. You don't lose to the people who are smarter than you lose to the people who start. Yes, you heard me right. This is the uncomfortable truth that you have to accept it. It is the reason why you are failing in your life. The reason is that you are not starting it. Why you are just planning that you want to start a YouTube channel? Why you are not starting it? I mean, what is the one thing that is stopping you from creating content? But I also know that what is the thing that is stopping you from making and creating content, and that is a fear of failure. You have a fear of failure, you have a fear of judgment, that what will happen when I will start creating content. And you also know that in starting you will create a low effort content. I know, because it is a stage of learning. And then you thought that if I will create content, people will judge me, people will laugh on me. This is how it works. Success doesn't come from thinking, it will come from practicing. When you will start doing the things on practical basis, then the success will come to you. It will not come if you are just thinking in your mind. You can build an whole city in your mind, you can plan an whole empire in your mind, but you can not bring one brick in practical life. You have been taught a lie to your whole life, that start when you feel confident, when you feel prepared, when you feel the time is right. But the right time never came. It again, I can tell you my example. I have an experience of 7 to 8 years of planning content that I am creating right now. I have already planned it 7 years back. From last 7 years I am just planning that I will start when everything will be ready. Everything will be good, my camera will be good, my mic will, when I have a good mic, then I will start. When I have better camera, the best camera, then I will start. But look at myself right now. I have started my YouTube channel and it is not still perfect. My videos are not perfect right now, but I have planned everything 7 to 8 years back, that when everything will be ready, then I will start. You can see the result by yourself. And I can even tell you when your videos will be perfect. Your videos will be perfect when you posted already hundreds and 200 videos, then you will have your perfect video. Now what does that mean? That means that you have to start from today, and after 200 days, after an year, you will see how much you have learned, how much you have grown up. There is no perfect time, brother. Right now is the perfect time. I mean, this will be my tagline, that right now is the perfect time. You are just waiting to feel safe, but it will get more dangerous in your mind when you realize after 10 years from now that my whole life has gone in just planning. I haven't did anything in my life, because while you are just waiting, there is someone less talented, less smart than you, but he has only that one skill, and the skill is of starting something, out thinking of failure. And why you are just packing yourself thinking what happen if I will fail in my in the project? You are a failure. I mean, look at yourself. You are just planning things from years, and you are thinking that if I will start something, I will get failed. You are a failure right now. Do you want to call yourself a winner? How you are supposing to call yourself a winner? You are a failure if you haven't start anything. You are just planning in your mind. Start a little bit, start like a pinpoint thing, but start. If you want to create content, you don't have a camera, you don't have a mic, you have nothing, but you have your mind, you have a 5 rupee pen, and you have a 1 rupee paper. Then start and write the roadmap of next month, that what my life will be look alike after 1 month. I will creating content from now, then how my life will look alike, what the things that I have to do from now. If I am starting creating content from now, you write the scripts of 100 videos. If you do not have the setup of creating videos, then you have a pen, you have a paper, write the script of videos. Don't call yourself that you are unprepared. You are just scared. You are scared of failure. Stop asking from yourself that am I ready for this, am I looking good for this? No, you were ready from the day you born. Start asking yourself that what is the smallest step I can take today, I can take right now. One workout, 1 hour of learning, one uncomfortable conversation. This is how the momentum will shift to your side. And if you have a fear of judging by the people, then people will judge you for 1 or 2 minutes. They don't have an hour to waste on you. Stop thinking this thing. that people will judge me, people only have 1 or 2 minutes. And what is the problem in that? If people will judge you for 1 or 2 minutes, they are not gonna feed you, they will not come to feed you. When you have a shortage of money in your home, then you are the person, you will be the person there who will arrange the money, not your neighbors. How you are supposing to get some feedbacks from your neighbors? The only people who matters to your life are your parents, are your siblings. Only these are the people who matters in your life. I mean, their suggestions are matter in your life, and they will never stop you from doing things in your life that can make you such a great person. I mean, they will never stop you. If you will talk to your father that, father, I want to create content, I want to educate people, then he will never tell you, oh, you don't do this, people will judge you, that you are not speaking good enough English, you are not speaking good enough Hindi, your vocabulary is not good, people are saying to me that what your son is doing. And when you will achieve success in your life, these people will come to you and ask for one picture, one autograph, and they will ask you for suggestions. If you will succeed in your life, they will come to you and ask to them, then please give me the roadmap, please give the roadmap to my kid, he is not doing anything in his life. So stop waiting, start messy, start scared, start imperfect, but start from today, start from right now. After watching this video, just shut down the phone and take a pen, take a paper and write down. I mean, if you are thinking something and you write down on your paper, this makes a huge difference. This make a huge difference, writing down your problems. If you are writing down your problem, the solution will automatically come in your mind, that this is the solution, is the solution of the thing that I have wrote on the paper. And your 90% problem will solve just after writing the problem on the paper. So start writing. I have this diary and I write everything of my life in this diary. If this video pushed you even a little good, that was the point of me making and creating this video. Please subscribe for more honest talks.